Parties shown in old illustrations were much like Germanic gatherings, with drink, music, and beautiful women. The whole community likely came together to enjoy themselves round a fire, drinking from polished horns and surrounded by decorations made from hunted beasts. These gatherings were also a time for sharing oral tales and stories. At these parties, the Anglo-Saxon lyre played a key part. Instruments like the lyre and harp were a big part of cultural life back then. Music had its place in both everyday gatherings and religious settings. The lyre was often used to help tell stories and pass down oral history, as well as for pure entertainment. The music you hear in the background of this video comes from an Anglo-Saxon lyre. Over time, the lyre evolved into the harp, as the harp proved to be more versatile. Primitive drums were still in use too, usually made from goat skin stretched over a wooden frame. Drums and horns weren't just for music either. They were also used to signal and communicate. Singing and poetry were common forms of entertainment and brought folk together. They drank beer and mostly mead, wine made from honey, instead of wine. Beer was more common than water, since they knew it was safer to drink. Even the children drank beer, though women and children would have had the lighter stuff compared to the men.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer, and comprehensive video.